Hello everyone. So today after a very long time we are back for our Sunday ride, and today we are going to Belur, Halebeedu. So basically this is a place where the Hoysala temple remains are there. Now I haven't done much research, but pretty old temples. I've heard that they have carved it on one stone, and there are two temples basically. One is in Belur, one is in Halebeedu. So the one in Belur has a flying pillar. Basically there's no support at the bottom, there's nothing at the top, which we will be seeing soon. And in Halebeedu there's a lot of carving done on single stone in order to make a temple. So these are the two main archaeological sites which we are going to visit today. So it's a Sunday, and this is going to be about 250 kilometers one side from Bangalore. So overall 450 to 500 is what we'll be doing today. So yeah, let's get started. So we have taken a left from the Nelmangla area. So if we would have gone straight, we would have taken the Bombay-Pune highway. But now we have taken a left, so we are on this Nelmangla highway. So probably our first stop would be Tare, a place where we love to eat. So yeah, that's the thing. And today we have the KTM 390 Adventure, the rally version, with us. So I'm gonna test ride it. Yeah. Here she is. So while my riding partner is adjusting his suspension, look at this. On this road, I'm literally going on a neutral. Still the speed is being maintained at what, 25? This is crazy. It keeps on going for some reason. Yes, see? Look at the RPM. Okay, so he's back. Chalo. Am I the only one, or the road is like that it's wiggling? So there isn't much grip on this road, and look at that. Oh. There's a slight bit of wiggle on this road for sure. Can't be my tires. Yep. मतलब देखो अभी सेंटर पे जाएगा फिर से, देखो कोई लेन रूल नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं. हाँ, ये मेरे को परेशान किया है अभी. 2-2 मिनट में बीच में आ जा रहा है. कोई इंडिकेटर नहीं, कुछ नहीं. ये देखो, आप निकलोगे इसको लुत्ती लग जाएगा, देखना लेफ्ट वाले को. एकदम से इसको याद आता है, देखना अभी देखो बीच में जा रही है, धीरे 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 धीरे. ये So that's a milestone footage. So basically our KTM has done 1000 kilometers, exact 1000 kilometers now. And we continue. Done? Chalo, congratulations. Yes, more to go. Speed का speed है, comfort का comfort. सुंदर तो लगती है यार, कुछ भी बोलो. ओके, सूरज भगवान जी आ गए हैं पीछे मेरे को शीशे में दिखते हुए. ये आज तहलका मचाएंगे. I mean, for the past 3 weeks, I haven't seen sun, practically speaking. Rarely saw sun. It was always cloudy. And today we are going for a ride, and look at it. सूर्य भगवान जी पहले ही बाहर आ गए हैं. But fuck it, मैं 1.25 महीने बाद जा रहा हूँ राइड पे. Okay. So our first pit stop, Tare, at about 9900 kilometers. यहीं लगा दे. इंथी कहाँ ले जा रहे हो? Alright, so we are done with our breakfast at Tare, and now we are heading towards the archaeological site, the Chanakeshava temple. Now, from what I've read online, so Hoysala dynasty was actually built their base over there. So right now it's 114 kilometers and it's showing 2 hours 5 minutes, but probably we'll reach before that. So we are changing the bikes finally. चौथे गियर में तो आपकी बाइक भी टच करती है 100 आराम से, पर हाई आरपीएम में फुटपेक्स पे वाइब्रेशन है। बाइक गुदगुदी हो रही है मेरे को। नहीं, हैंडल में बिल्कुल वाइब्रेशन नहीं है, हैंडल बहुत कंफर्टेबल है, नो डाउट। आपको हैंडल बार थोड़ा ऊपर कराना पड़ेगा। मेरा यही बता रहा था मैं आपको कि वो हिमालयन विगल हो रही है, यहाँ पे आपके में ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल है करके विगल नहीं फील हो रहा है आपको। और हाँ, एक्चुअल में मेरे को अब विगल फील नहीं हो रहा है, पर उसमें हो रहा है, हिमालयन में अच्छा हो रहा है। तो रोड बहुत गंदा है ये, नहीं मेरे को नहीं होगा। मैं वही तो आपको बता रहा था कि आपके में ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल है। अभी मैं एक बार टेस्ट करता हूँ। यस, पर ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं बाइक पे बड़ा लग रहा हूँ। क्योंकि मेरे को बाइक थोड़ी छोटी फील हो रही है। हाँ, थोड़े मॉड्स यहाँ पे ये लग जाएंगे, क्या कहते हैं, आपके इंजन गार्ड वगैरह, रेलिंग वगैरह, तो गाड़ी थोड़ी बड़ी लगेगी। कह सकते हो। हाँ, मेरी गाड़ी लेकिन वही है कि वो हाथी है, इसको हाथी बनाना पड़ेगा अभी। और इसमें वो भाई पावर, वेट, फ्लाइज, ब्यूटीफुल। So gonna test the quick shifter. Yeah. So if you're over, I would say 4500 RPM or maybe 5000 RPM, that's when your quick shifter is working fine. It's effortless driving, no doubt. Too easy to maneuver, too easy to pick up the speed, the pace, braking is good, completely on quick shifter. Plus the best part is both the levers are adjustable, suspensions are adjustable, levers are adjustable, you have traction control, both cornering and normal. Quick shifter is there, over 4500 RPM. Look at the pace. Oh, my goodness. You literally feel the torque, you literally feel the power. Use quick shifter again. Yeah, so quick shifter is working effortlessly over 4500 RPM. See, they have even given a place to mount, or probably put the GPS mount. I'm not sure how this is gonna come out, but so they do not have a hazard light. Of course, handling is purely comfortable. Now if I do saddling, it is a little difficult because the handlebar is a little on the lower side. I mean, in case I go for this bike, I'll have to probably have the handlebar raisers. So I'm also waiting for Vijay to buy Himalayan so that I can test both the bikes before I can make a buying decision. Yeah. आपको एक शोरूम कितना पड़ा इसका? 3 लाख कुछ था ना, 3.5 या 3.6? हाँ, 379, 380. Himalayan again is 2.7. This is almost 3.7. Almost a lakh bump up in the pricing. But with my weight on the body, the bike is not going over 150. That's for sure. It's taking a long time at 145, 146 to climb or cross 150. मैं टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि कॉर्नर्स पे कितना ग्रिप फील हो रहा है, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग. आई मीन दे हैव अ ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल सिस्टम, सो नाइस. ओके, ब्रेक पंच इज लिटिल बैड फॉर द रियर ब्रेक. फ्रंट ब्रेक इज गुड, बट द रियर वन इज, आई मीन इट टेक्स अ लिटिल लॉन्ग टू गिव दैट पंच. एंड अगेन एट लो RPMs द इंजन इज अ लिटिल स्ट्रेस्ड. Okay, I'm gonna do one speed test. It's reaching 146, 147, 148, but maybe because of my body weight, I'm 90 kgs, I'm 6 feet 1, so I'm able to take it to max 150. Now I'm not sure why is that. Now the RPM lock is also not there. Average would be 150, but it surely has that power, the punch of the bar. You can feel it within a fraction of a second. You fucking feel it, yeah. There's some vibrations on the footpeg which tickles at the bottom of your feet. I'm not sure. We might have to take a left or right from somewhere here. So the Google Map suggests you'll have to get away from the main road. कितना दूर दिखा रहा है? अभी भी straight. Okay. Third gear 100. Fourth gear 125. Fifth gear 138. So we have switched our bikes again. Now we are left with 43 kilometers and the time is showing as 54 minutes. So we are expecting the road not to be very good. We are still continuing on the Nilmangla Hassan highway. Let's get started. So we have entered the Hassan district and now it's just 31 kilometers. Basically this place comes inside, in the Hassan district itself. So that's one thing. And we are in the city limits of Hassan. The roads are a little confusing. 20 kilometers, 28 minutes. So road is like this only. This is only the last 30 kilometer or 40 kilometer stretch, which is, I would say, narrow roads. Otherwise, it's all highway. So probably it has rained last night. ये वेस्टर्न घाट के एरिया में ही आता है एट अबाउट 3200 फीट अबव फ्रॉम सी लेवल से. रूट तो कितना प्यारा है देखो. रोड्स आर गुड, द वाइब इज गुड. इट इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ माउंटेनियस रोड. ये है अड़ागुर लेक. द्वार समुद्र. गन्ने का जूस पियेंगे. इसका नाम है द्वारा समुद्र. तो यहाँ से है 2 मिनट दूर, अबाउट 1 किलोमीटर. So we have arrived. Now we just need to figure out where to park. Okay, so our first destination, Halebeedu archaeological site. We have arrived here. See, we even got a book which gives some detail about the place. So this is the Halebeedu archaeological site. Carved on stone. Single stone, again carved on stone. ढोलक बज रहा है, यहाँ डांस हो रहा है. So we are here, Hoysala temple. Basically this is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Built by Ketu Malla Sethi, one of the officials of King Vishnuvardhana, and could be completed only by 1207. Started in 1121. So it took almost 86 years to build this. 86 years to build this temple. Oh, देखो detailing. So this is the back entry. This is carved on a stone. ये बना है 1207, 1207 शुरू हुआ था बनना. 1121 और 1207 में बन के रेडी हुआ था. All these carvings are done on stone. That's what a masterpiece looks like.
So इधर हैं शिव जी और यहाँ है नंदी महाराज. ये रहे नंदी महाराज. अंदर उधर भी नंदी महाराज बनाए हुए हैं. ओके, 2 मंदिर 2 नंदी महाराज. पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. बना दिया उस टाइम लोगों ने, बना दिया. सोचो, it took them 86 years to finish this. Actually, it's still not finished. That's what is mentioned. So some of the pillars are unfinished. Still, look at the carvings here. Everything done on a stone. How did they even attach this? Or maybe they have done it directly on the stone. Look at this. The details here. Every piece of this is a stone. ये देखो ना, ये ऊपर ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे नट हो, पत्थर का नट बनाया है, नट बोल्ट. Okay, so we are going back from here. Hoysaleshwara temple is done. Next is Channakeshwara temple. Okay, so this is Hucheshwara temple, interpretation center. Oh, वहाँ क्या है? तो यही वो पार्ट तो नहीं जिसको बोला कि इनकम्प्लीट रह गया? ओह,
ये तो रिजेक्ट माल हो गया. नहीं, ये गड़बड़ है. ये
आर्किटेक्चरल रिमेन्स ऑफ नागरेश्वरा टेम्पल. अब ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज नॉट नागरेश्वरा टेम्पल, बट imagine all these are done on stone, that too in the 11th century. So
गड़बड़ हो गया होगा, पत्थर खड़ा.
okay, so we are done. Now we are going to Channakeshwara temple. Okay, right here. So we are en route to Channakeshwara temple. हाँ, 17 किलोमीटर ही रहे. हाँ, हम 250 आगे बैंगलोर से, तो नहीं फ़र्क पड़ा. सो दैट्स द चन्नाकेशवा स्वामी टेम्पल. ये ज़्यादा फेमस है बेसिकली टेम्पल. भीड़ तो बहुत है, नो डाउट. सो वी आर एट चन्नाकेशवरा स्वामी टेम्पल. दिस इज़ द प्लेस जहाँ पे पिलर हवा में है. हम वही देखने आए हैं. वहाँ एक रथ दिख रहा है. रथ. हाँ, बेंगलुरु फेस्टिवल.
ये सब अवशेष है जो
These are the details on our rocks. Okay, we did confirm this is the floating pillar. So basically it is, you can take your handkerchief and it will completely glide from the bottom. But रुमाल जाता है नीचे से. So a last glimpse of the total temple of Channakeshwara Swami. So basically this is a Vishnu temple, and now we are done with the darshan and everything, so we are going back. Alright, so we are done with visiting both the main temples. Basically, these were engraved on stone, completely on stones. So the two main attraction of Belur, and we are done with it. Now it's almost 12 and we are returning back towards Bengaluru. Should take about 4.5 hours. खुशबू आ रही मेरे को कॉफ़ी की मस्त वाली. The weather was hot. Today is December 10th and it's pretty hot. I would say, yeah, my bike shows 34 degrees Celsius, so around that only. So there's about 20 kilometers of city ride, I guess, last stretch. And so the distance between our house and this temple is exactly 222 kilometers. That's such a good number. Anyways, exiting now, we'll have to figure out a place where we can have lunch because Suman भैया को लग गई भूख, मेरे को लग नहीं रही है for some reason, but yeah. एक सेकंड, ये गाड़ी कैसे घुसाया रे? इतनी जगह तो थी नहीं वहाँ पे. गाड़ी घुसाने की जगह थी जो इसने गाड़ी घुसाई. Anyways, that's all for today's ride. See you next time.